Captain Jack Sparrow. Marry me, Lizzie. Never! My precious shiny. My precious shiny. Oh, Feather, you're such a pirate. I want my daddy. You better stop believing ghost stories. You're in one. I'm Captain Jack Sparrow. So why is the rum gone? No reason. They will. They want him. Why should I? I'll marry you. Let's go.